Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Alka's Garden Log. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to grow Clitoria or Aparagita through seeds. So let us start the video. First, these are Clitoria plant seed pods which gradually develop from the spent up flowers of Clitoria. In their initial stages, these seed pods are green in color. After their maturation period, they become brown. For growing purpose, we will need brown color and mature seed pods like this. I have plucked 4 seed pods. I am removing all the seeds out of seed pods to grow. Friends, these seeds are very easy to grow and fast to grow. You can grow them directly into your pot like this. Just make a small hole or pit into your soil. Put your seed into the pit and cover it. That's it. Now I will grow my seeds properly into moist coco peat like this. I am making half-inch deep pits into my soil, keeping my seeds into the pits and cover my pits. And it is done. I will grow all my seeds like this. Make a small hole, put seeds into the hole and cover it. It is very easy method to grow all the seeds. And coco peat or peat moss are the best medium to grow any kind of seeds. Germination in coco peat or peat moss is very fast and very easy. So I will grow all my seeds like this. Friends, I am using moist coco peat, so I will not water into my soil after growing my seeds. So either you have to keep your soil moist before growing seeds, or you have to water your soil after growing seeds. After growing all these seeds, you have to keep your pot into bright indirect sunlight for some days. Your seeds will show their first germination in 4 to 5 days, maximum in 7 to 8 days. So friends, this is result of about 1 week. Some seeds have germinated very well, some are still germinating. In the time of about 3 weeks, all the seeds will germinate well. So I will wait for some more time for about 2 more weeks. So this is result of about 3 weeks. Maximum seeds have germinated well. My seedling have become 3 to 5 inch tall. Now I will repot my seedlings into separate pots. We will need pots with drainage holes. I will fill my pot with potting soil, that is equal amount of garden soil, compost and sand, with 1 teaspoon of fungicide. I have removed my seedling from seedling pot. You can see healthy white roots of the seedling. Now I will put this seedling into soil filled pot. Will fill my pot with more soil. Tap it very well on the ground to remove any air pocket. I will settle my plant into straight direction. After repotting my plant, I will water it well. You have to water your seedling very well so that water should come out of the drainage hole. Water should reach up to roots of your seedling. Now you can keep this pot in bright indirect sunlight or filtered sunlight according to your weather. So friends, you can see yourself that growing Clitoria or Vishnukanta or Aparajita by seeds is very easy. You can also grow your own plants, your own vines through seeds like this. I will also make a separate video on the blooming tips of Clitoria plants, so stay connected and subscribe my channel. I hope friends you like my informations. If you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share my videos. You can also share your questions, suggestions and gardening experiences through comments. Okay friends, now I am going to end this video. Bye. Happy gardening. Take care.